MCU characters' real height. Peter Dinklage as Eitri, 135 centimeters. Julia Louis-Dreyfus as Valentina Allegra de Fontaine, 160 centimeters. Natalie Portman as Jane Foster, 160 centimeters. Scarlett Johansson as Black Widow, 160 centimeters. Tatiana Maslany as She-Hulk, 162 centimeters. Tessa Thompson as Valkyrie, 162 centimeters. Jacob Batalon as Ned Leeds, 162 centimeters. Florence Pugh as Yelena Belova, 163 centimeters. Kat Dennings as Darcy Lewis, 164 centimeters. Lupita Nyong'o as Nakia, 165 centimeters. Letitia Wright as Shuri, 165 centimeters. Evangeline Lilly as Wasp, 165 centimeters. Iman Vellani as Miss Marvel, 168 centimeters. Haley Steinfeld as Kate Bishop, 168 centimeters. Elizabeth Olsen as Scarlet Witch, 168 centimeters. Zoe Saldana as Gamora, 169 centimeters. Haley Atwell as Peggy Carter, 169 centimeters. Tom Holland as Spider-Man, 170 centimeters. Pom Klementiev as Mantis, 170 centimeters. Brie Larson as Captain Marvel, 170 centimeters. Florence Kasumba as Io, 173 centimeters. Kate Blanchett as Hela, 173 centimeters. Don Cheadle as War Machine, 173 centimeters. Ben Kingsley as the Mandarin, 173 centimeters. Mark Ruffalo as Hulk, 173 centimeters. Robert Downey Jr. as Iron Man, 173 centimeters. Oscar Isaac as Apocalypse, 174 centimeters.
Jeremy Renner as Hawkeye, 174 centimeters. Gwyneth Paltrow as Pepper Potts, 175 centimeters. Eldon Henson as Foggy Nelson, 175 centimeters. Clark Gregg as Phil Coulson, 175 centimeters. Anthony Hopkins is Odin, 175 centimeters. Daniel Bruhl as Helmut Zemo, 176 centimeters. Michael Rooker as Yondu, 178 centimeters. Anthony Mackie as Falcon, 178 centimeters. Paul Rudd as Ant-Man, 178 centimeters. Charlie Cox as Daredevil, 178 centimeters. Benedict Wong as Wong, 178 centimeters. Sylvester Stallone as Stakhar Ogord, 178 centimeters. James Marsden as Cyclops, 178 centimeters. Alan Cumming as Nightcrawler, 178 centimeters. Patrick Stewart as Professor X, 178 centimeters. Owen Wilson as Mobius, 179 centimeters. Karen Gillan as Nebula, 180 centimeters. John Benthal as Punisher, 180 centimeters. Tenoch Huerta as Namor, 180 centimeters. Jonathan Majors as Kang the Conqueror, 180 centimeters. Pedro Pascal as Reed Richards, 180 centimeters. Brett Goldstein as Hercules, 180 centimeters. Ian McKellen as Magneto, 181 centimeters. Josh Brolin as Thanos, 182 centimeters. Vin Diesel as Groot, voice, 182 centimeters. Russell Crowe as Zeus, 182.6 centimeters. Kelsey Grammer as Beast, 183 centimeters. Michael Fassbender as Magneto, 183 centimeters. Sebastian Stan as Winter Soldier, 183 centimeters.
Wilson Bethel as Bullseye, 183 centimeters. Chadwick Boseman as Black Panther, 183 centimeters. Benedict Cumberbatch as Doctor Strange, 183 centimeters. Christian Bale as Gore the Butcher, 183 centimeters. Louis Pullman as Sentry, 183 centimeters. Chris Evans as Captain America, 183 centimeters. Bradley Cooper as Rocket Raccoon, voice, 185 centimeters. Jon Favreau as Happy Hogan, 185 centimeters. Harrison Ford as Red Hulk, 185 centimeters. Wyatt Russell as U.S. Agent, 186 centimeters. Ryan Reynolds as Deadpool, 188 centimeters. Benicio del Toro as the Collector, 188 centimeters. Hugo Weaving as Red Skull, 188 centimeters. Will Poulter as Adam Warlock, 188 centimeters. Samuel L. Jackson as Nick Fury, 188 centimeters. William Hurt as Thaddeus Ross, 188 centimeters. Chris Pratt as Star-Lord, 188 centimeters. Tom Hiddleston as Loki, 188 centimeters. Hugh Jackman as Wolverine, 188 centimeters. Nicholas Hoult as Beast, Young, 189 centimeters. Chris Hemsworth as Thor, 190 centimeters. David Harbour as Red Guardian, 190 centimeters. Idris Elba as Heimdall, 190 centimeters. Ralph Ineson as Galactus, 191 centimeters. Stellan Skarsgård as Dr. Eric Selvig, 191 centimeters. Vincent D'Onofrio as Kingpin, 192 centimeters. Paul Bettany as Vision, 193 centimeters. Jeff Goldblum as Grand Master, 194 centimeters. Winston Duke as M'Baku,
196 centimeters. Dave Bautista as Drax the Destroyer, 198 centimeters. Clive Russell as Tyr, 198 centimeters. Daniel Cudmore as Colossus, 198 centimeters. Tyler Mane as Sabretooth, 206 centimeters. I hope you enjoyed watching this video.